Hi guys, it's Bethany. I have a quick unboxing for you today of an order that I placed with DP with Sparklers. These are some specialty drills. Their information will be linked down below if you're interested in checking out their website. I like to browse their clearance section because they almost always have some neat things in there. I'm really eager to see these drills that I got. I'm going to be using these mainly on my Be Brave canvas. So let's go. Ta-da! So my order came in this cute little bag, light blue. Has the packing slip inside with my information. It looks like this is their business card. Diamond painting with sparklers. www.dpwithsparklers.com if you're interested in checking out their website and purchasing from them. That's where you go. And it has an email. The owner is Tina Burney, and who is also commonly known as Tima, and they also have a Facebook group. Looks like I got a couple of stickers. Spread the love, very cute, and sparklers. On my list it shows the orders, the items that I got, and a circle here. Now this actually didn't cost me very much. You know, getting some extra drills to spice up your canvas is, well, it's a lot cheaper than a canvas, that's for sure, but it's a fun little way to add some extra sparkle to your project. And even if you just buy one of these, say you get on clearance for like $1 or $2, I mean, that's awesome, right? Okay, so all I got in this order was special drills. So they have other things on their website as well, but this is what I purchased. So I bought these little pearls, which are cool. Oops, sorry. I think that when I'm using, I don't know if I'm going to use these on the order, on the one I'm working on or not, but these are pearls for squares, so they're a little bit smaller than a typical round because square drills are smaller than round drills. So these work on a square canvas. I figure there's got to be at least one place I can put one pearl on this canvas. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull out all these. So mostly the colors that I got are crystals, and they're blues and greens. I got a couple of ABs, maybe one. I'm not sure. Let's see. Let me just look real fast. Two. One of them's a gunmetal. But anyways, I am going to be adding some extra sparkle into the water areas and some of the plants. So I have 3 packs because I want to fully replace this color in my canvas, and there's a decent amount of it, so I didn't want to run out. So this is a 518 jelly, and jellies are like a crystal, which is translucent. I mean, it's clearish. See, that's a crystal. It's how it's more fluid looking than a regular drill. The jelly ones are have a more haziness to them. So this is a really pretty clear, kind of just hazy blue. I think that'll look really good. And if it doesn't, one of the things about when you're doing additions to canvases, if you don't like how it looks when you change it back. It's so simple. This was one of them that was on clearance. This is gunmetal, and that's super cool. It's, well, a gunmetal color. It's a metallic, and it's a dark gray, and I'm not planning to use that on this canvas, on the Be Brave canvas, but I know I have plenty of other canvases I can use that on. And a little bit goes a long way, you guys. So like sometimes just putting 1 or 2 of these into a canvas can just give it that little extra sparkle. Like if you look back at my post review of Queen Zara, for her eyes I substituted some of the drills for crystal drills. So on that one, 2, 4, 6, I substituted 7 in each of her eyes. So, I mean, that's more than just a couple, but it's not very much, and it made a huge difference, I think. Here we have a 413AB. That's another one color that I think is in the water of the Be Brave canvas, and I'm going to be incorporating that into there as well. We have a 700. Oh yeah, that's an AB. Look at how pretty that is. That is super gorgeous. And it looks like, it reminds me of a hummingbird, but you know, also a peacock. But I think that would be super pretty to put in there. I think it would look good in either the water or the plants. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that. I'm trying to see if my invoice tells me how much each of them were, but it doesn't. All right, I have a 3799, which is a dark grayish brown. I have some spots in the canvas I want to put that, I think, or that was on sale. I don't remember. I think there was a couple of them that I got just because they were on sale, you know, $1 or $2 for a whole thing of diamonds. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. So I think if I remember correctly, I got a couple on clearance, and then the rest I picked out very specifically for the canvas. So these are 3842, and those are really pretty dark aquamarine teal color. And I got 2 packets because that's another one of those colors that I want to kind of incorporate through the whole canvas and substitute all of the drills. And I just wanted to have extra in case, just to make sure that I had enough. And also, I mean, if I have extra and I don't use them, that's cool, because then I have them in my stash to use for other things. All right, I also got this dark royal blue. It's in a jelly. I like getting a variety of them, you know, crystals, ABs, jellies, because I think it just adds a lot of different, almost texture to the canvas, which is really cool. And the different types of drills, they really do look different in different lighting, in different settings. Like if you have a shadier area, or a spot where certain times of the day it'll look different, or depending on how high or low you have it on a wall. And I like that each of these is going to stand out in their own way, in their own time. I also got 702, and that's definitely going to go in some of the green seaweed and leaves and stuff. Yeah, so that's it. Shorter video. Wanted to show you guys all of my cool sparklers. Well, actually, I didn't get any sparklers. That's another option with diamond painting with sparklers. They have these special drills that are made out of glass. And they're cut a certain way, and so they really, really sparkle. They're aptly named. I think I have some sparklers for squares, because I think those ones, I could be wrong, but I think those ones only come in rounds, but because they also have sparklers for squares, they'll be a little bit smaller, like this pearl one where they can work into a square canvas, and it doesn't look weird. I mean, I guess it depends on who you are, and it depends on the canvas, and it depends on how you place it, but in general, it's totally fine to have these rounds for squares that they make and having the combination of the rounds and the squares on your canvas. I mean, think about when you do a special drill canvas, you have all different types of shapes and stuff on that canvas, and it always, you know, almost always looks great. Although there's more spacing, but I'm telling you, it doesn't always look okay, but usually it does. So you have a lot of options when it comes to customizing your canvases and making it special and making it your own. And like I said, even if you change one or two things, that still makes it unique from how it was originally made, which I think is really cool. This is a very linear craft, like you have your pattern and you just go with it, but there's also a lot of room to really get creative. And if you're the type that really likes to get more creative with your crafts, adding special drills is definitely a good way to do it. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye because I think I talked a little bit extra more than I had planned. So thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me comments below of things you would like to see me make videos of for my channel, because I just kind of do what comes to me at the time, but I am always open to suggestions. I appreciate you all, and I will talk to you later. Bye!